Okay, so we are testing the function of this Bora switch, which is very, very similar to a Merak switch. There are only slight color code differences and a slight angle difference on the arms, Bora to Merak. However, we're rebuilding this switch as a round-bodied Bora switch as opposed to the modular Bora switch, and much more difficult later switch. So this one really has a body that's very similar to Ferrari 308. Not that it makes any difference. Its own specific arms are specific to the Bora. We've got a light up here that shows us continuity. So now we're going to go through and test all the components on the switch to verify that they work. What we've got here is a power supply going into the headlamps. And we have yellow, which in this case is the low beams. And then if we go over here to high, now we're selecting and getting continuity on high beams. Interesting that with high beam flash power is supplied through this other plug over here, which is kind of unique but not unusual given Maserati. So this is your high beam flash, which works in all three positions. Get out of my way. Alrighty, and now we have the headlamp twist switch function, which on this is the small wire that goes up to this twist switch at the end, and it goes between the small green and the small black, which is a ground. And here we have, which is most likely, it either lifts the headlights or it turns on the interior lights. I'm not sure what it does on this Bora, but you can see its functions. And then we have, we already did high beam flash, we did high, low, the turn signals. Okay, so this is the power input for the turn signals. And we have two blue outs, one for left and right. So there we've got one, and it automatically cancels. And now we have, shorting around here. The other side, and it automatically cancels. So now we're on to the wiper portion of the switch. The wiper portion is like, let's see, is this on, I don't want that, I want gray. So in the mid position there, that is mid-speed wipers. And in the high position here, we have high-speed wipers. And of course, this also has a park function on it, which I believe. What's the park function?
Gray, red.
Gray and gray, red. That's right. Thank you. Thank you. Yes. So all the way down, or to that position is your park position. So all of those work. The only other thing we have left is the windscreen washer, which is operational in all three positions of the arm. I think that's it, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Okay, great. So that concludes the test showing that this switch is completely functional, and we thank you for your attention.